Nature art, chrysalis and butterfly.
Hello, big trees! Welcome to activity time. Today we're going to do some art, and Hunter picked the butterfly. So we're going to make a chrysalis and a butterfly, and what that takes is some materials, and we'll tell you what you need. So here we have, Hunter.
Yeah.
What is this?
Green paint.
Green paint. If you're gonna use paint, you need a
Paintbrush.
paintbrush. That's right. And we have our stuff on a tray, so we're not gonna make a mess. We have this little holder to put our paint in.
It's called paint palette.
Paint palette. We have a tube from our bath tissue that we're going to paint. We have a, you know what this is?
I forgot the name.
Clothespin. We've got a clothespin, right? That we have. We have some markers. You can pick whatever colors you want. We have a coffee filter. We have, you know what this is?
A pipe cleaner.
A pipe cleaner. And you can use pom-poms, those little things that look like cotton balls. You can use cotton balls, but we are using little buttons. And this is what you're going to use to make the body of your butterfly. All right, let's get started. Okay, so Hunter's got this, and he doesn't like to get his hands super messy, right? Is that true?
That's true.
So one way that you can do that is I'm gonna pinch this, right? And see what happens. Now he can paint it from all sides using his paintbrush. Genius! Okay, so Hunter, you go ahead and paint.
It's very genius.
Okay, once you're done with your chrysalis and you set it aside, now you can begin to work on your butterfly wings. Take your coffee filter, open it up flat, and start coloring with washable markers.
I forgot to mention that you will need a water bottle with water to spray onto your coffee filter once all of the coloring has been completed. Once the wings are finished being colored, take the water bottle and completely spray the coffee filter. Once everything is wet, set aside and allow it to dry.
Okay, time for the butterfly's body while the wings are drying.
To speed up the drying process, we used a hot glue gun, but you can also use liquid white glue. Just allow a lot longer for drying. The very last thing you put on your butterfly body are the antennae. You just add glue to the end and stick them on, or you can twist them around the end to get them to stay. Either way works.
Okay, now that you have your
your chrysalis tube dried or done, and you have your wings dry. Nice job, Hunter.
Thanks.
We're going to go ahead and scrunch up your wings. Maybe even if you want to do a fold fan like this, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, see that? And then I'm going to take the clothespin of our butterfly body, and we're gonna open it and pin it right inside. So we can get that done. And then when you put it in, you can re-spread out the wings, and you've got yourself
A butterfly.
a pretty butterfly. See that? And then what you can do with your butterfly is your butterfly can go inside of its chrysalis or chrysalis, and you can pull it out, and you've got this butterfly. Okay, big trees, thanks for joining us doing our butterfly art. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye.